Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps to send disappearing videos on Messenger. Whether you want to share a quick moment or keep your chats more private, Messenger makes it simple to send videos that can only be viewed once. First, open the Messenger app on your device. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Once you're in, start a new chat or open an existing conversation with the person you want to send the disappearing video to. Next, look for the gallery icon, usually found near the message input box. Tap on it to open your phone's gallery and browse your videos. Select the video you want to send. After choosing your video, you'll see an option to edit it before sending. Tap the edit button. Here, you can trim your video or add effects if you want, but the key step is setting the video to disappear after being viewed. To do this, tap the timer icon, often shown as a small stopwatch or clock symbol. This brings up the option to set the video as View Once. Select View Once. This setting ensures that your video will disappear immediately after the recipient opens and watches it. Once you've set the timer, tap the Send button to deliver your video. That's it. Your video will now be sent as a disappearing message. The recipient will see it labeled as View Once, and after they watch it, the video will vanish from the chat, keeping your moment private. Disappearing videos are a great way to share something fun or personal without leaving a permanent record in your conversation. Remember, you can use this feature for photos as well, following the same steps. Try it out the next time you want to send a quick private video on Messenger. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.